everyone from Destination Nürburgring Track Day, aka DN Events, showing Claire's beautiful jacket. Yeah, the very first track day with the Corvette, and it's been amazing. First of all, shout out to Destination Nürburgring. I've been attending their track days ever since I arrived here at the Nürburgring over 10 years ago as Boosted Boris, and the whole team has been very welcoming of me, even back then when I was wearing some weird Russian hat, or maybe because it was a weird Russian hat. They're still welcoming of me, so I guess it was not because of the Russian hat. Anyway, today we're not speaking about Russian hats, but about American cars, because the main cool thing about the track day is that the main 2 kilometer straight is open. Yes, this is 918 by the way, yes. And because of that, we can go see how fast Corvette can go. Now, we could do a very YouTuber thing and do Autobahn run, but if something goes wrong, I would rather happen it on the track. Although also not while everyone else is here. It's kind of controversial, but yeah, we do not want to do super silly stuff on the public roads. Anyway, one cool thing about Destination Nürburgring track days is that yesterday I attended their whole sign-up session. So we had first some fun at Safety Driving Center, aka the Drift Park at the Nürburgring, where we could do some skits with the Corvette.
Hello. Does your driver know what he's doing? No.
Absolutely not. I don't know how to drive that.
What? Click it, clutch kick it. Yeah, oh, yeah. Oh, he's getting it. Oh, he's getting it.
Too much. Uh-oh.
I think you need to go that way.
Yeah.
Take it chill.
Yeah.
You need to gain speed. There you go.
Front.
Gas, 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 gas. Yeah, gas, 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 gas. That's better.
Clutch kick.
ABS wasn't happy.
No. At least there's someone who is worse than me. Can't do this, kid. After that, which is even cooler, is we had a track walk with Darren in the Peugeot 405 MI16. Gonna go in this for some track walk. Usually you do it in the bus, but Darren is kind enough to invite me over in his very low mileage, very special French car. Here we have also Swift Performance with VULCAN ALPHA kit on it. Yeah, excited to see how this goes tomorrow. Might be the softest, plushiest seat on the back. You ever noticed the banking here?
This is not a good time for you to start telling us this.
So, are we having bank holiday here because of the banking?
Banking. We were talking about.
That's a dad joke.
It is.
You're a dad now.
Yeah.
Call it Hudson crack because of the crack cocaine in the track.
What?
And what you definitely don't want to do is follow this line.
Yeah, I'd say that line there was probably suboptimal. Leaving some green shit there. It's probably got CD on it. Circuit days.
Ah.
Possibly.
Yeah, that's not good.
No. Come on, Darren, take the curb. You don't hear the rumble strip because the suspension is so great.
I would never take a curb here. That shit.
Yeah,
Would you take the curb there?
I do. Well, it depends.
Place.
Take the curb! Take the curb! Take that curb then. Come on, this curb. Take the right curb! Come on, Darren. Why are you not curbing? Take this curb then.
I'm scared of the curbs.
Take the curb! Yes, come on, come on! Yay! Woo! Do not take that one. Wild banking on the bus. I'll give you a tenner if it goes straight through, I don't know, of course.
Shut up. Have you seen the underside of this car? You can eat your dinner off it.
Yep. Speaking of dinner,
Speaking of dinner.
we're having a massive platter at the bowling area tonight. Come on!
John gets all the good jobs.
Come on! Oof! Inside line in the wet. He got balls. So who's filming who at this point?
So many cameras.
Oh, alcohol free.
Yeah, we have Wasser
Oh yeah, perfect.
and a banana.
Banana is nice. But
That's
we're-
Toby.
Just trying to.
Epic track walk. Actually, I really want to host some dinner one day on the carousel. The idea is there, opportunity was there as well, so that will be freaking epic. The problem is you need to guess with the weather. Oh, big eat.
No.
Whee! He's taking the curb. Take the curb.
No, I'm watching.
Come on, take the curb.
Peer pressure, take the curve.
Come on.
My first lap of the Nürburgring.
Yes. Oh, that's a sick shot. Yes, take the exit curb. Come on, go on it. Go on. Yes. Yes. Into the carousel.
No, we'll never go into the carousel.
Why not?
Do
What do
it
you
once
mean?
in a lifetime.
I always go into the carousel.
Okay. More. That's wrong. You need to be close to the curb. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Oh.
Harmony.
Oh.
If the plate's not bending, you're just pretending.
And then later today on the track day, it is raining right now, but earlier was dry. It was time to hop in the car and see what the baby could do on the straight. As I was going to refuel the car at ED gas station, I heard some like cracking noise. Could be just the spring of the shock, but you do not want to be like not taking any risks. So we put it on the lift just to check if everything was still okay. After yesterday's kids, just to make sure that nothing broke when we spun because the sound didn't sound right. Before I'm gonna drive as fast as the car can go on the main straight, let's just make sure that nothing broke. So quick checkup on the lift first, and then let's see. Huh, something's leaking already.
Slackage.
Okay, dying.
Yeah, it's 335s.
Yeah.
Semi-slicks. Stock diff.
Everything looks tight.
I mean, you have a slight weep from the axle seal, but
Yeah. All right, just making sure that we don't mess up on track.
it worked.
What? Oh yeah.
I didn't love how they, it works.
Yeah, it works. All good. New daily sump is coming anyway. Maybe it's from the Mustang that was here.
Could be. It's
Yeah,
just
'cause
water.
it doesn't look new anyway.
It's just water.
Or aircon because it's working. That we're gonna take out anyway for parasitic loss.
Yeah, you know, but
Like
you know,
5 kilos.
I mean, you're used to it. But
Yeah, I need to be used to it. So it's like actually a training device. Anyway, so chief engineer, am I good to go?
yeah, you're good to go.
Okay, let's go. Where's my RPM gauge, you piece of... And then after the car was set, it was time to do 2 laps on the ring. I struggled a bit with the the Hans because I realized that my belt slipped off and then the silly Russian hat came out in me. The whole of the lap I took it kinda easy because I saw that the temperature was rising quite high. The cooling mods are already on the shelf waiting for it, but so far it was okay, but now it's significantly warmer since the last times that we've been driving it. And yeah, while the radiator and the cooling mods are waiting to be installed, I thought like, okay, let's slow down a bit through the rest of the lap and then push it on the main straight. that was quite an experience. Didn't manage to hit 180 miles per hour, and towards the turn-in, the front end was lifting so much that I'm like, no, I do not want to do any Le Mans actions here. So of course, the car is going to get lots of downforce, the wing, the splitter. More importantly, it's going to have many hood vents and also the fender vents that are also either ordered or in development. Stay tuned to find that out. But yeah, this car is the best and the worst car in the same package because it has a ton of potential, but you need to change everything if you want to track it. If you want to daily it, that's another story. Anyway, after that, I also took Darren out for a lap because I had to redo the favor of him driving me around in his 405 Mi16. So I took him out in a Corvette because he's thinking of getting one himself. And yeah, then another apparent Corvette thing came out. There we go, found fault. Crankshaft position, yay. Oh, look at that, there is no check engine anymore. Nope. It's wet anyway, so
Yeah.
we don't need to
Gentle lap.
Exactly. Doesn't sound good. I'll just try again.
Yeah. Is it down on power straight away?
Yeah, it's just misfiring everything because the crankshaft position sensor is dead.
Yeah, yeah.
Man, what a piece of shit. Well, we'll just do a cruising lap then. Due to the heat soak, the crankshaft positioning sensor died and we couldn't code it out, and which was in hindsight a good thing because I just took a very easy lap and halfway through the track it was fully wet. I guess it's good that we're taking it easy. That's our cue. Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Had I been driving a bit faster, the outcome might have been a bit different. So I guess the temperamental Corvette behavior saved us in hindsight because as we were taking it easy, yeah, we could easily save whatever happened. But ifs and buts, regardless, just sharing the journey with you. We have now a nice benchmark of what the car can/cannot do regarding the main straight. It would be really nice to one day, once the new engine comes with the gearbox, with all the mods, that we'll be able to hit 300 plus kilometers per hour. And also we've done 8-minute 29 full lap with cold tires, with all the things and everything. So we can probably, with decent setup, we can do 8 minutes. But my realistic goal with this car is to go sub-7 full lap with a manual transmission, to be the first US car on a manual transmission. With all the mods in mind, should be possible. Let's see. So anyway, until then, see you next time. Bye bye.